Hello students, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss 10 MCQs from your physics, especially from the chapter refraction of light. So without wasting our time students, let's get started. Question number 1. During spear fishing, a fisherman aims at the first option tail of the fish, second option head of the fish, third option slightly ahead of the head of the fish, and none of these. So during spear fishing, a fisherman aims at the tails of the fish, head of the fish, slightly ahead of the head of the fish, or none of these. So students, here your correct option is option number A, that is tails or tail of the fish. Next question students, question number 2 here, and your question number 2 is, when a ray of light enters into the optical medium, it means another optical medium, its wavelength and velocity change. The material in which wavelength and velocity decrease maximum when the ray is traveling through air. So here it is option alcohol, diamond, glass, water. Again I am going to read the question. When a ray of light enters into another optical medium, its wavelength and velocity change. The material in which wavelength and velocity decrease, okay, here decrease maximum when the ray of light is traveling from the air. First option alcohol, second option diamond, third option glass, and fourth option water. So correct answer is students diamond. Now students, question number 3. A thick glass slab with silvered side forms multiple images on account of, यानी कि एक ग्लास स्लैब जिसकी एक साइड सिल्वर्ड होती है वो मल्टीपल इमेजेस बनाती है, ठीक है ऐसे. सो पहला ऑप्शन है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, दूसरा ऑप्शन है डिस्पर्सन ऑफ लाइट, तीसरा ऑप्शन है रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, और चौथा ऑप्शन है बोथ रिफ्रैक्शन एंड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो कौन सा आंसर सही होगा बच्चों? हियर योर करेक्ट आंसर इज बोथ रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की ओर. टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन टू टेक प्लेस ए रे ऑफ लाइट मस्ट. टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन टू टेक प्लेस, यानी कि टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन होने के लिए रे ऑफ लाइट मस्ट फर्स्ट ट्रैवल फ्रॉम डेंसर टू रेयरर मीडियम, दूसरा ट्रैवल फ्रॉम रेयरर टू डेंसर मीडियम, तीसरा मीडियम डज नॉट प्ले एनी रोल, चौथा नन ऑफ दीज. सो बच्चों यहां पर क्या होगा? आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन ए, ट्रैवल must travel. It means ray of light must travel from denser to rarer medium. Okay, next question students, question number 5. The critical angle for a material X, there is one material whose name is X, is of 45 degree. Okay, the critical angle for a material X is 45 degree. The total internal reflection will take place if the angle of incidence, the denser medium, is less than 45 degree, 90 degree, more than 45 degree but less than 90 degree, or option D, less than 45 degree but more than 0 degree. So which option is the correct students? Here it is option number C, that is more than 45 but less than 90 degree. Okay, so this is the correct option. Next question students, question number 6 here. The small air bubble rising of a fish tank, a silvery when view from some particular angle because of the phenomena. ठीक है, a small air bubble rising up a fish tank, silvery, ठीक है, it means look silvery when viewed from some particular angle because of the phenomena reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, or dispersion. So can you guess the correct answer students? Reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, or dispersion. So your correct option is option number C. Okay, option number C. So total internal reflection. Next question number 7 students, and your question number 7 is, an isosceles totally reflecting prism can reflect rays through an angle of, an isosceles totally reflecting prism can reflect rays through an angle of first 60 degree, second 90 degree, fourth 180 degree, third 180 degree, and fourth both A and B. It means both 60 and 90 degrees. So can you guess the correct answer students? Here it is both 90 and 60 degree, both 90 and 60 degree. Question number 8, and your question number 8, 8 is a ray of light is incident on the face of an equilateral prism at an angle of 90 degree. Okay, the ray gets here, ray, okay, not rec, ray gets totally reflected on the second reflecting face. So the total deviation produced in the path, so the total deviation produced in the path of ray is first option 60 degree, second option 90 degree, third option 120 degree, and fourth option 180 degree. So which is the correct answer, students? It is, can you guess? It is option C. Okay, 120 degree. Next question, students, question number 9. A crack in window pane, okay, appears, window, it is written window, but here pane is also there. A crack in window pane appears silvery when viewed from some particular angle. यानी कि विंडो पेन में क्रैक होता है तो हम किसी एक एंगल से जब हम देखते तो उसे वो कैसा दिखता है? सिल्वरी दिखता है. दिस फेनोमेना इज ड्यू टू, ये फेनोमेना किस कारण से है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, सेकेंड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, थर्ड टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, and fourth dispersion of light. Can you guess the answer correct, students? That is total internal reflection of the light. Next question, students, question number 10. When an equilateral prism is in minimum deviation position, यानी कि when an equilateral prism is in minimum deviation पोजिशन, यानी कि एक इक्विलेटर प्रिज्म जो है मिनिमम डेविएशन पोजीशन में है, देन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट इज, तो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट क्या होगा? ग्रेटर देन द एंगल ऑफ एमर्जेंस, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, सेकंड ऑप्शन स्मॉलर देन द एंगल ऑफ एमर्जेंस, थर्ड ऑप्शन इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ एमर्जेंस, एंड फोर्थ नन ऑफ दीज. तो क्या होगा बच्चों? व्हेन एन इक्विलेटर प्रिज्म इज इन मिनिमम डेविएशन पोजीशन द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट इज, कैन यू गेस? इट इज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ emergence. So option C is the correct answer. So students, in this video, this much only. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. So students, we'll meet in another part. Till then, take care.